Casement window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With Casement Windows Knoxville, you can enjoy improved ventilation, energy efficiency, and timeless design. Our expert team specializes in window frame replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting durability for your home. Choose Casement Windows Knoxville to elevate both comfort and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Knoxville are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy costs. Our double-glazed windows provide superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Casement Windows Knoxville are particularly effective for energy conservation, as their tight seals minimize air leakage. Knoxville Window Seal installation services are also available to ensure your Casement Windows Knoxville perform at their best. For those seeking custom window solutions in Knoxville, our team offers personalized designs to match your home's unique style. Whether you need a window hardware upgrade or a complete window glass replacement, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Home window renovation in Knoxville is made easy with our comprehensive services, including window insulation and window style consultation. Incorporating Casement Windows Knoxville into your design adds both elegance and practicality. Window maintenance services in Knoxville are crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window weatherproofing solutions protect against the elements, while window screen installation keeps pests at bay. If you're experiencing issues with your window sash, our Knoxville window sash installation services can restore functionality and appearance. Regular maintenance of Casement Windows Knoxville ensures smooth operation and lasting beauty. Knoxville window trim replacement is an excellent way to refresh the look of your home. Our window leak installation services address any water intrusion issues, preventing damage to your property. For those in need of window pane replacement, our Knoxville team provides high-quality options to suit your needs. Updating to Casement Windows Knoxville enhances your home's visual appeal while improving energy performance. Window design services in Knoxville offer a range of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring your windows complement your home's architecture. Our window energy audit can identify areas for improvement, helping you achieve maximum efficiency. Window noise reduction in Knoxville is another benefit of our services, creating a peaceful indoor environment. By choosing Casement Windows Knoxville, you can enjoy a balance of efficiency and style. Knoxville window UV protection is essential for safeguarding your interiors from harmful sun exposure. Our window security upgrade options provide peace of mind, enhancing the safety of your home. Window moisture control in Knoxville prevents condensation and mold growth, maintaining a healthy living space. Pair these improvements with Casement Windows Knoxville for superior protection and durability. For those looking to enhance their home's appearance, window aesthetic enhancement in Knoxville offers a variety of options. Casement window replacement in Knoxville is a popular choice for its sleek design and ease of use. Our energy-efficient Windows Knoxville services ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Installing Casement Windows Knoxville brings elegance and modern functionality to any space. Knoxville window frame replacement is a critical component of maintaining your home's structural integrity. Double-glazed windows Knoxville provide excellent insulation, reducing energy consumption and noise pollution. Our Knoxville window seal installation services address any issues with drafts or leaks, ensuring optimal performance. Combine these upgrades with Casement Windows Knoxville to achieve exceptional energy savings and comfort. Custom Window Solutions Knoxville cater to homeowners seeking unique designs and features. Whether you need a Knoxville window hardware upgrade or a complete window glass replacement, our team delivers outstanding results. Home window renovation Knoxville is simplified with our comprehensive services, including window insulation and window style consultation. Choosing Casement Windows Knoxville allows for versatility, durability, and modern appeal. Casement window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in casement window replacement Knoxville, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With a focus on energy-efficient windows Knoxville, we help reduce energy costs while improving comfort. Casement windows Knoxville remain one of the most stylish and efficient options for modern homes. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Knoxville window frame replacement services ensure that your windows are secure and durable. We also offer window seal installation Knoxville to prevent drafts and leaks, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Installing casement windows Knoxville ensures a tight seal, improved insulation, and effortless ventilation. Double-glazed windows Knoxville are an excellent option for those looking to improve insulation and noise reduction. Our custom window solutions Knoxville cater to your specific needs, providing tailored designs that match your home's style. We also offer window hardware upgrade Knoxville to enhance functionality and security. With casement windows Knoxville, you can enjoy both energy efficiency and modern aesthetics. For those in need of window glass replacement Knoxville, our team provides quick and efficient services. Home window renovation Knoxville is made easy with our comprehensive offerings, including window insulation services Knoxville and window style consultation Knoxville to ensure your windows meet your aesthetic and functional needs. Adding casement windows Knoxville can elevate your home's natural light and airflow. Window maintenance services Knoxville are essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our window weatherproofing Knoxville services protect against the elements, while our Knoxville window screen installation keeps pests out. We also specialize in window sash installation Knoxville and window trim replacement Knoxville for a complete window overhaul. Proper care of casement windows Knoxville keeps them efficient and easy to operate. Addressing window leak installation Knoxville is vital for preventing water damage. Our Knoxville window pane replacement services ensure a perfect fit and improved performance. With Window Design Services Knoxville, we help you choose the best options for your home, including Window Energy Audit Knoxville to maximize efficiency. Incorporating casement windows Knoxville guarantees durability, design harmony, and improved insulation. Window noise reduction Knoxville is achieved through our advanced solutions, providing a quieter indoor environment. Our Knoxville window UV protection services shield your interiors from harmful rays, while our window security upgrade Knoxville enhances safety. We also offer window moisture control Knoxville to prevent mold and mildew. Opting for casement windows Knoxville enhances soundproofing and provides secure, stylish functionality. For those seeking window aesthetic enhancement Knoxville, our team provides expert guidance and installation. Casement windows Knoxville are a stylish and functional choice, and our services ensure they are installed to the highest standards. Trust us for all your window needs in Knoxville, from installation to maintenance and beyond. Experience the perfect combination of elegance, efficiency, and reliability with Casement windows Knoxville.